What happened? Yeah. Next question is, find the coefficient of x power 100 in this. Okay, question is what? Find the coefficient of x power 100 in this. Okay. So how to find here? Listen here. X power 100 I want to find. Correct? So what I do here? 3 minus 5x into 1 minus x whole power minus 2 I will get. Correct? Okay, understanding? Coefficient of x power 100 I want to find. So what I am writing here? 3 minus 5x, 1 minus x whole power minus 2 I am writing. Now what is there? You just identify this thing is important. That here there is no power, but here power. Whenever you have such situation, you have to multiply this. So 3 into 1 minus x whole power minus 2 minus 5x into 1 minus x power minus 2. This is the deal you have to do. And these type of questions asked in JEE. So today what I explained, the type of questions asked in JEE. So you should know this, only this minimum knowledge. That is, you whenever you have 3 minus 5x upon 1 minus x square, so denominator power goes up. And in previous sum you see, it was here also power. It was here also power. Now what I have done is, I changed the question without this power with this power. So when you have like this, you have to multiply 3 into this and minus 5x into this. Now you have to find coefficient of what here? X power 100 in this. And in this, what you have to find? X power coefficient of? See, in this, what I will find? X power coefficient of? What I will find? Arey yaar, ye पूछ रहा क्या है? Is asking to find coefficient of x power 100. So what I will find from here? From here what I will find? Coefficient of x power 100 I will find from here. From here what I will find? From here what I will find? From here what I will find? Coefficient of x power 99 I will find, because already x out na. Are you getting what I said? Getting or not? So what I do here I will find x power 100, but here I will find x power 99. You need to see like that. Suppose by mistake it is square is there. Suppose here 100 is there, power 100 is there, suppose. Then what I will find here? Coefficient of 0. Understand? So that knowledge should be there here. Suppose here you have power 25 here, and inside I will find how much? 75 I will find. Are you getting what I said? So here in this, to find formula I told. What is the formula? In this to find formula, 3 into बोलो इसका formula क्या है? नहीं, एक्सपेंशन नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. आई एम आस्किंग कोफिशिएंट. एक्स पावर 100 कोफिशिएंट इज फॉर्मूला एन. फॉर्मूला करेक्ट है ना? टेल मी फास्ट अगेन, आई डोंट वांट टू मेक इट रॉन्ग. एन प्लस आर, फॉर्मूला इज एन प्लस आर माइनस 1 सी आर. करेक्ट? n plus r, n is what here? 2. n is here 2. Sir, n is here 2, minus 2 not. Okay. n plus r minus 1 na? Minus 1 c r. R. Yes, R only formula. R means what here? 100. Right? This is the coefficient here. And minus 5 into, here I want to find what here? I am finding the answer directly. Now I am not writing x here. Coefficient I am finding. So inside I will find how much? 99. So 99 means what I will find? 2. Tell me here.
Plus 99.
2 plus 99 minus 1 C 99. Okay, therefore what I will get the answer here? 3 into 200, 101. 101 C 100 minus ये 5 है ना 5 into 100 right 100 C 99. This is your answer. You can solve this one. So you know that NC n in NC n minus 1 is all how much? 5C4 is how much? 5. Right? 5C4 is 5. So this value will become how much? 3 into this will how much? How much? 101. Right? 101 minus 5 into this is how much will give? 100. So this will be how much here? 303 minus 500. Negative answer means coefficient can be negative, no problem. So you can do this answer. So these are the options is given in this question. A is equal to 100, B minus 57, C minus 1. So C is the right answer. So answer is C. So such kind of questions we do like this. Is it clear? Shruti? The question is, find the possible set of values of x for which the expansion of 3 minus 2x to the power of 12 is valid for ascending power of x. Ascending power means like previous one. What was there? 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1, that form. Okay. And you know here it is there. So how to find these such things? There is, I'll give you a formula for this, where x plus y whole power n is there. Remember this. This can be written as x power n, I can take common. So I'll get 1 plus y by x whole power n. So this can be expanded as x to the power of n into 1 plus n into y by x plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial into y by x whole square plus so and so we write, where if mod of y by x is less than 1. See, when you have like this, means this was like this formula, there is no 1 in this. If you see here, there is no 1, right? There is no 1 in this. It means in this form is x plus y form it is. So when you have x plus y form, we convert into this formation. Either you will be finding in this way, either you can take y power n also common. Any one thing you can take common. So if you take this one common, so you get 1 plus x by y whole power n. It's not compulsory I have to take x power n only common. I can take y power n. Our target is must to make 1 here. To make 1 here. So in this way, if I expand this one, I get y power n. Okay, 1 plus n into x by y plus n into n minus 1 upon 2 factorial into x by y whole square plus so and so we will write. And in this case is mod of x by y is less than 1. What I want to tell you here, whenever you have x plus y whole power n, the conditions to become either this one, the condition to become this form, ascending order, power ascending order. So this question how to convert, tell me. This I can write 3 out. 3 can I take common? So 3 if I take common, what I get here? 1 minus. So can I write 1 plus also minus, inside minus, and what I can write here? 2x by 3. 2x by 3 whole power how much? 12. I can use like this now. 3 to the power of 12 when you take out common. So what was the condition here to be hold here? So when it is valid here, this value less than 1. This value less than 1. It means what here? Modulus of 2x by 3 is less than 1. So x lies between where to where? Now tell me. Modulus you have learned now. Tell me now. Minus of. You have learned my modulus. Modulus chapter I explained. So tell me answer. You got it, no? Right? So this value, so whenever if we say somebody said and when it is possible to valid, so I just told you, this is why I wrote is not necessary to write, try to making understanding I wrote. So whenever if they said as ascending order like these questions asked when it is valid means you have to take either x power n or y power n common. One funda is simple thing is you make it 1 here. You have to make it here 1. So this is the formula and this is the condition for this. To be old. This is to valid, this is the condition. So I can take here 3 power 12 common. So I got 1 plus minus 2x by 3. This modulus should be getting less than 1. Right? So you can do it this. Should I solve it? Should I solve it or is it okay for you? Tell me first. Did you solve or you want? I think this person, who is this? Ranjit solved, right? Aditya, you have solved, right? You have solved or no? Solved or you didn't solve?
We can solve.
You can solve. You can solve, sure. What you will write here? Minus 2x by 3 less than 1. If you have x less than 1, what is the formula? X is in between of 1 and minus 1 formula. So what we can write here? Minus 2x by 3 is between of 1 and minus 1. Just use this one. You will get x belongs to where you will get minus 2 by 3 comma 2 by 3. Isn't right?
3 by 2.
Okay, 3 by 2. ये इधर जाएगा तो 3 by 2 आएगा ना. Minus 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2 you will get. When you send this is this side, 3 by 2 you will get 3 by 2, right? Understood? So x lies between minus 3 by 2 to plus 3 by 2. Is it clear? Yeah? So this concept is over. Okay. So I'll write questions, homework. Okay, important questions. Note down all questions, I'll explain now this one. Okay, another question is, find the coefficient of, all these are JE questions and important question, damn sure questions these are. Coefficient of x power 18 in 1 plus x into 1 minus x whole power 10 into 1 plus x square to the power of 9. I hope maybe somewhat I explain. If I not explain, let me know, I will explain tomorrow. Find the coefficient of x power 7 in expansion of 1 plus x whole power 10 plus, I think this is I explained already, 1 plus x whole power 9 plus x square into 1 plus x whole power 8. I think the previous day I explained, this is JEE 2019 question, plus x power 10. This one I explained, no need to write, already I explained this. GP, I used the GP, I explained. This is also explained, okay, explained already. चलो, है ना, वो एक्सप्लेन किया सर. फिर भी अभी आपको अच्छा क्वेश्चंस मैं पोस्ट करूँगा, ठीक है. नाउ दिस वन यू ट्राई इट, आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट वन. दिस इज ऑल्सो ईजी वन, नो नीड टू वरी. इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग देन लेट मी नो. सी यार, आपको चाहिए तो मैं टेक्निक बोलता हूँ. देखो इधर टेक्निक क्या है, इसको लिखो 1 plus x. टेक्निक मीन्स ओनली 2 steps आई विल एक्सप्लेन. इसको लिखो 1 minus x and this you write as 1 minus x whole power 9 and this you write as 1 plus x square whole power 9. And most important questions these are. these type questions only will ask advanced level, so, or mains level. This is can be written as what? 1 minus x square, and this is can be written as a minus b into a plus a square plus b square, ab plus b square, that is a cube minus b cube formula. 1 minus x cube to the power of 9. Are you getting here? 9 I took common, power I took common. So a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, that is a cube minus b cube formula. Now in this you have to find coefficient of x power 18. It means what I do here, I will multiply, because you see just now I explained you, there is no power here. When power is not there, we will multiply this one. So what I get here, 1 minus x cube to the power of 9 minus x square to the power of 1 minus x cube to the power of 9 I will get. Is it clear to all? Then I have to find x power 18 in this. So if I want to find in this x power 18 I will get. Already 3 is there, so 6 I required. आपको पता चल रहा है? 6c, so इधर आएगा 9c6 आएगा. इसमें क्या आएगा? 9c6. आर यू गेटिंग इट? आपको इधर ऐसा है तो 1 प्लस एक्स होल पावर समथिंग 6 इज देयर. सपोज 9 इज देयर. आई वॉन्ट इन दिस 5 x power 5. So I'll write 9c5 I will use, because x power 5 will get at 9c5. But you have power 3 means I need 6 means power how much I required? 3 required na? 3 required, right? पावर 3 रिक्वायर्ड ना. एक्सटेंशन में कौन सा पावर चाहिए? अरे 3 चाहिए ना मुझे. अरे फर्स्ट टर्म कैसा आएगा? ये ओपन करें तो कैसा आएगा? 9c0 1 पावर समथिंग यू विल गेट. ओके, x पावर 0 माइनस 9c1 व्हाट आई विल गेट हियर? माइनस x क्यूब आई विल गेट ना. अरे यार समझ में आ रहा? और नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या आएगा? 9c2 1 पावर एनीथिंग इज ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. और नेक्स्ट टाइम में क्या आएगा? x क्यूब होल स्क्वायर आई विल गेट. नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हाट आई गेट? 9c3 व्हाट आई गेट हियर? x क्यूब पावर 9 आई विल गेट. x क्यूब होल क्यूब आई विल गेट. एक्चुअली आई वांट टू गिव होमवर्क, आई एम ओनली सॉल्विंग. So here this is the coefficient I will get here. Are you getting it? Here what I will get? Square is there, but I need inside how much? 18. Square already there, so 16 I required inside. 16 ऊपर चाहिए. 16 चाहिए तो कौन सा लेना पड़ेगा? ये स्क्वायर, हाँ 16 चाहिए ना. How much? 8 16, या 16 आई रिक्वायर्ड. 16 मीन्स 16 नहीं आएगा ना. चेक करना पड़ेगा सर. इसमें नहीं आ रहा है तो इसमें नहीं आ रहा है. सपोज इसमें नहीं आ रहा समझो, तो ये क्रॉस. अंडरस्टैंड? इसमें नहीं आया तो वो क्रॉस है, आया तो उसको लेना है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग और नॉट? वी हैव टू चेक वेदर इट इज कमिंग और नॉट. That is also our criteria. Coming means okay, you have to take. Not coming means don't take. So this expansion you know na. Are you getting it? Power r also you can take. You are not getting in this way. Take that is general term is r. General term you take it r, and power expansion equal to 16. You see that is you are getting natural number or not. If you are getting r is a natural number, then you will get the answer. If not, you will not get. This is a basic concept I am telling. I am speaking about the basic concept which have we solved coefficient of things. So you try, this is homework. If you are not getting, then I will solve it. Is it clear?
Yes.
Almost I explained. Only 2-3 steps are left. Fine? Right. I have to explain that last one. This one. So I just want to give idea, but I explain completely. Okay, here this one, what's the time now? Huh? 2:05. We'll see tomorrow.